Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Monday. U.S. stocks were higher on Monday, as gains in the consumer goods, consumer services and technology areas drove shares higher. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.27% while the S&P 500 list acquired 0.71%, and the Nasdaq Composite File acquired 1.31%. India's two biggest multiplex firms said on Sunday they would converge to make a giant film operator with in excess of 1,500 screens across 109 urban communities as media outlets recuperates from the COVID-19 pandemic. Apple TV Plus impacted the world forever on Sunday as the first streaming service to win a Best Picture Oscar for CODA, an endearing dramatization about the girl of hard of hearing guardians who seeks after her enthusiasm for music. Barclays shares fell 3.7% on Monday after the UK bank cautioned it would endure a shot to profit due to having given too many organised notes. Canadian vaccine producer Medicago's COVID-19 antibody, supported last month in Canada, is confronting restricted development in the close term after the World Health Organization said it wouldn't audit the vaccine in light of the fact that the organization is halfway claimed by U.S. Swiss tobacco organization Philip Morris, well-being specialists say. Bayer Stock Exchange 2.7% higher Monday Frankfurt after reports that Singapore's Temasek, a long-term investor, is requiring the expulsion of Chief Executive Officer Werner Baumann. Bill Gates-backed Heliogen has gotten subsidizing from top Australian oil and gas maker Woodside Petroleum for a full-scale trial of its concentrated solar power innovation in front of an arranged drive into Australia. Aiming to put $5 billion in new energy items by 2030, Woodside has likewise consented to purchase a stake in Heliogen, the two organizations said on Monday. Apple Incorporated stock exchanged 1.8% lower pre-market Monday on reports the organization could cut the result of its iPhone and AirPods gadgets as the Ukraine emergency and approaching expansion burden interest for buyer hardware. Elephant Oil Corp has petitioned for a proposed IPO. The organization is intending to offer units, each comprising one share of common stock, and one warrant to buy one portion of common stock. 12C's investment company 4TMT has petitioned for 20 million unit IPO at $10 per unit. Each unit consists of one Class A ordinary share and one Class 1 redeemable warrant and one half of one Class 2 redeemable warrant. Aimfinity Investment Corp declares 7 million unit IPO at $10 per unit. Every unit comprises one Class A normal offer and one Class 1 redeemable warrant and one half of one Class 2 redeemable warrant. Tesla stock was 5% higher in pre-market exchanging Monday, as the organization started measures focused on a stock split. TPG Inc. said on Monday its fourth quarter after-tax distributable earnings rose 34% year-on-year, driven by solid resource deals across its arrangement of private value, sway venture, development value, and real estate resources. SpaceX has finished creation of new Crew Dragon space traveler containers, an organization chief told Reuters, as Elon Musk's space transportation organization stacks assets on its cutting-edge spaceship program. CITIC Securities Co, China's biggest brokerage, reported on Monday a 55.01% rise in profit in 2021, led by strong gains in securities investments. HP Incorporated stock slipped 2.6% in pre-market Monday as dealers attempted to assimilate the organization's approach behind procuring Poly, a producer of mixture work environment arrangements. Organizations impacted by sanctions forced on Russia and taking off energy costs are probably not going to get trillions of euros in state help that organizations hit by the COVID-19 pandemic got on the grounds that the effect is more modest, EU Contest boss Marguerite Vestager said on Monday. Walmart Incorporated will stop deals of tobacco items in some of its more than 5,000 stores across the United States, the world's biggest retailer said on Monday. Shares of energy stocks have fallen Monday morning on new worries in regards to a request from China. With China having a zero-COVID strategy, authorities in the nation executed a citywide lockdown in Shanghai, a fundamental monetary and fabricating center point, after an ascent in COVID-19 diseases. Shares of Micron Technology are up 2% in today's exchanging meeting after a few Wall Street experts pondered emphatically their assumptions for the company's income report. Brewing giants Carlsberg and Heineken said on Monday they would stop selling in Russia, joining a departure of Western organizations as strain develops on Moscow following its attack on Ukraine. Russian gold and silver maker Polymetal is investigating the chance of severing its Kazakh mines at the request of a group of investors, it said on Monday, adding that it was untimely to talk about a choice. The ruble solidified beyond 90 against the dollar in Moscow exchange on Monday, a close to one-month high, while Russian stocks broadened their slide lower on the third meeting of exchanging following a nearly extended suspension. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday proposed extending the meaning of specialist vendors and ordering that principal trading firms, PTFs, should enlist with the office in a bid to upgrade market strength and assist with making everything fair. Facebook is going to present an innovation for clients. Would you like to learn about it? Click our previous video.